Please tell.
Guys, welcome back to Ria's Adventures. Today we are opening a big marshmallow candy cane. So my mother is gonna help me. This happened because this coronavirus is there. Wow! It would be such a big one. I'm so excited. Here it is. It's such a big one. Let's start opening it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Now let's unbox it. So, how will we open it? Oh, I see some tape right here. Got the tape off. There you go. Now it's like this. So I will use a scissor to open this up. I don't know how to do it. I'll try. Oh. How do I do it? Mm. Mm. This one is like almost done. Now it's done. This one is also done. Let's see, I got a scissor now. How do I got this? So okay, one arm done. I'll just do that.
You don't.
Guys, so I took it out. Okay. So these are some ribbons. There you go. Oh, it's so cute. Her head bobbles. And these are some toys, some eating things. This one is Baby Kiro. I don't know what's that called, this cake pop. Getting it out. got it. Alrighty. There you go. Ooh. This is a cake pop. And this is baby Chino. She can like bring. So she can bring this. And she can eat the cake pop. Create it. And if you put it back in there, you could get it back. And you can also get it like to stand. Like that.
Does she stand?
Yeah, she can, but this, I don't know how to make her stand. Let's try it on the floor. No. Let me standing. So she can also hold it like this, and wow, she can stand. There you go. And she can also eat it.
What's the name of your dog?
It is Marshmallow. And her bangs also get up. Oh, then something like that. Just come off. See, one band off. Now the second one. There you go. There you go. Put the bangs out. So these can be attached. And she's so cute. You can also put her like this, and her head bubbles. And she can do like this. And her shoes are removable. Let me see how to get them out. There you go. One shoe off. And the second shoe is off too. Now I can make her wear the shoes again.
Is it for the right leg?
Let's see. Her dress is removable. could just like that, and from the front, like that, and like that. Now she can also wear it again.
She got pretty big hands.
Yeah. There we go. Now she's back. This is baby Tino, and this is a kickball. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and like the video and subscribe. This is Marshmallow just for reminding, and bye.